So this is the disgusting sink that came with a nasty ass house. And this broke on us last week. This nasty faucet. So we are going to, Sarah's doing right now, we're just gonna replace it with this cheap crap brass one for about a year until we can replace this whole thing. I hate these. If you ever think about putting one of these in your house, don't care how small the bathroom is, because they're a pain in the ass to work with. It's a lot harder than it needed to be. Is that mold or is that just...
I don't know.
It looks like corrosion, because that old, it was brass. And
I think it was real brass.
Yeah. Hey Sarah, I'll give you $5. You can tell me where this was made.
Taiwan.
No.
China?
Yeah. Prize. I wouldn't put too much, Just needs to not move. We are just installing the faucet part. We aren't going to do the drain plug because this sink hopefully in a year, maybe a year and a half will be gone anyway. This is just our temporary fix with our fake brass. Oh God, that's so tacky. This thing's actually pretty easy to install once you get everything unhooked, right?
Yeah.
I got it, hold on. So Sarah's applying the plumber's tape, which we didn't have any on here and they should have done to begin with. That's probably why everything is leaking. So don't forget to use the plumber's tape. We hooked them up so we're not getting waterboarded while we do this anymore. They're hand tight. You want to open the valves and I'll see if we get any leaking. Let's just get these ones open. Yeah, these we had the wrench off because they're supposed to be able to turn them with your hands, but all right.
Oh, that's gross.
Isn't it? It works. That thing is really ugly. It took us about 40 minutes just to do this. Probably would have taken us less time. If we didn't have to fight with connections, that should be able to be done with your hand. So, Sarah, just a year. It's all you have to look at that ugly thing for.
Yeah.
How much did that cost? Like 20 bucks?
No, it's 30.
30?